Looks really, really good. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Here we are with another little product review. I have here looks like a 2200 psi pressure hose reel pressure washer from Giraffe Tools. So they sent me this. Super excited about it. So I definitely am looking to replace the current one that I have. I'm gonna go ahead, obviously open this box up and show you guys how to install it. But my probably favorite thing about this is it actually mounts up to the wall. That way it's out of the way. Obviously the other nice part obviously is the 100-foot hose. So now am I gonna need all 100 feet out here? No, but you know, it definitely is nice to have. Again, so it's because this pressure washer will be suspended on and then obviously hung on the wall, you know, a lot of the hose will be kind of out of the way, which will be kind of cool. So I'm super excited about that. Let's go ahead, open it up and see what we got. So looks like here we have the installation manual. So all right, so again guys, here's some of the packaging. Looks like we got the anchor bolts, looks like some end nozzles, level, so it's a pretty stuff. Here's part of the wand that you get with it. Oh, and I didn't see that, but looks like here is the bottle for the solution. All right guys, as you can see, we're doing this on the floor, but so this is obviously your gun, and this is the nozzle that goes in the front. Obviously we got your hardware, and then we've got your hose, and that's pretty much it. So it's a pretty simple process. Go ahead and mount these bolts up to kind of where I want them on the wall. Plug it in and see what we got. We're just gonna go ahead and undo the mount. Okay. Boom. So basically this is gonna go on the wall, and then once this is fixed to the wall, basically your unit just sort of slides right in, and you're good to go. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, I hope you guys can see. I've got now the mount fixated to the wall. Obviously, just make sure you find some studs. That way you are secure as possible. Looks like we're pretty level there. So yeah, let's go ahead, hang in and see what it looks like. And there you go, that's it. Giraffe Tools. So got your power right here. This looks like to be the on and off. Then we got the inlet hose in here. Looks like back here is where you can hold the wand. So yeah, let's keep going. All right, we're gonna go take this piece. It should go right into here. Okay, so that's gonna be the fitting. This is where your hose goes. All right, so I've gone ahead and installed the hose that it comes with. So this is gonna feed in to our outside hose. So there goes that, pretty simple. And then this fitting here is gonna go into our wand. So let's keep going. All right, now to go ahead and assemble this. Basically this goes in here and then you twist it and then that'll lock that in place. All right, so it should look like that. All right, so I've gone ahead and installed the hose that it comes with. So this is gonna feed in to our outside hose. So there goes that, pretty simple. And then this fitting here is gonna go into our wand. So let's keep going. All right, so that is good to go. And it looks like there's a little holster right here. So I wanted to put that bad boy right there, and then boom, it's out of the way. So again, very clean. It's kind of nice to have it up out of the way. But okay, looks like everything is good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and see if you look here, it's got 4 slots for all of the different size pressure washers that it comes with. So alrighty, so there you go. I didn't see anywhere in the book, I could have missed it, as far as you know, what is safe for paint on cars. They are sort of numbered in color as well. Let's see, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, and then 4 degrees. Obviously, I don't know if you guys can tell, but the holes tend to get a little bit bigger. So let's go ahead and test it out. All right, guys, so I got everything prepped. I'm not gonna go ahead and use their soap dispenser, whatever you wanna call them. I'm gonna use my own. But the one genius thing that I love, obviously you've got the 100 feet of hose, which is definitely more than I need. So what you do is you can pull and then they'll lock in place. Like, that's super cool. Like, so basically I can just go run as much as I need here and then I won't have to worry about it. So super nice. I just thought that was a pretty ingenious idea to be able to lock the hose in place, you know, just depending on how much hose you need. So definitely big ups to that though. So let's go ahead and pull some more hose, rinse off the car, and start washing it. Let's see how this thing does.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
As you can see, I left a lot of good suds, so looks really good. All right, let's go ahead and rinse.
Colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of the people.
Alrighty, we are all clean. Turn the power off already, so now I just put the hose back. We're good to go. So that is it, guys. That is a review on this Giraffe Tools pressure washer. Honestly, I think it's amazing. It looks really good. Had good pressure, a lot of suds, you guys saw that, which is really good. So then obviously the convenience of having it hang on the wall, super nice versus, you know, something like that where it's just tangly and messy. So that is it, guys. I appreciate you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.